Good morning, you guys. I am going live in our group as I am busily getting ready for the retreat weekend. I just want to check in with you guys. I think there are so many things that I want to share with you, and I hope that you will take time out to come to a few workshops this weekend. Come and meet Dee from Dee's Recipes. She is doing a couple of really great classes on Saturday afternoon. We are doing her meal prep class. Everybody can use meal prep for certain. I'm going to learn a bunch of stuff. And then on Sunday morning, we're going to be doing nutrition and reading labels and really learning about how nutrition works, and meal prepping and meal planning for the week, and making your grocery lists and having your plan. And then last but not least, on Sunday afternoon at 2 o'clock, I think it is, from 2 to 4, we are doing her vegetable class. So she's going to teach us how to not only make, dinner stuff with our veggies and how to prep our veggies, but we're going to be baking with the veggies. So we're going to learn how to make cookies and muffins, and she's also bringing her molds for her gummies. So she's going to be teaching us how the right exact recipe to do the yummy gummies. And when you make those collagen gummies, those are like freebies. So if you need a little something to munch on, that's the perfect thing. So come out and join us for that. And then also, a class that I think and is dear to my heart, because so many of my clients have things that they don't even know that they have. So when you are retaining water, or you're feeling a lot of inflammation, you are feeling low energy, you're feeling stressed, you can't sleep, you're having hot flashes, all that good stuff. There's a reason for that, and it's not, it's not part of it doesn't have to be part of the aging process. You can make it part of the aging process, but I would love for you to come on Sunday morning at 10 a.m. It's Dr. Vicki. She's from Saratoga, and she is from Root Cause Medical Clinic. She's a naturopath. She's going to be talking about all of this and solutions and how to, figure it out. And, we can't lose weight. We cannot maintain our weight if we don't balance all of these things. And a lot of times it's not that we don't want to, it's that we just think that this is how the aging process works, and that this is what is happening in our body, and that's all we have to deal with. And so it's not true. We can all feel great energy for the rest of our lives, but we have to be our own advocates, and we have to be the ones that really search out the solutions for ourselves, to really find those things, and to heal ourselves from the inside out. So of course nutrition is the ultimate healer, but a lot of times we have different things going on. I have Graves' disease, which is hyperthyroid. It's autoimmune, and sometimes it's there and sometimes it's not. And a lot of my clients have Hashimoto's or low thyroid, and there's ways for us to balance those things so we're not on synthetic hormones. And I know your doctor has told you have to be on synthetic hormones the rest of your life, but not always is that true. And so Dr. Vicki will be talking about a lot of that. So I encourage you, Sunday 10 a.m. take a minute. It's a rainy, icky weekend anyway. Come and spend some time with us. This is the first time I've ever done this in the clinic, and the more you guys give me your feedback that this is something that you want, and the way that I see that is by you actually showing up. And I know not everybody's in town this holiday weekend, but I know a lot of you are. So take a moment to come and join us, and would love to have you and love to see you. All right, you guys, have a super, super rest of your week and a great Valentine's Day. Remember that you can go out to the Low Carb Cooking Show, and Dee did a whole bunch of Valentine's recipes. She showed her recipes for the gummies the week before, so I think like 2 weeks ago were the collagen recipes. Get yourself out there and make yourself some Valentine's goodies so that you enjoy your day, and make yourself steak and lobster dinner with your husband. Do it at home so you know what's in it, and just really know that along your journey this is a temporary spot. So know that there's a beginning and an end to phase 1, and you will get there. Make sure you're coming in every single week. Make sure that you're not just coming in on shopping days. Come in on Thursdays and Fridays and see me. I'm usually in the office every other Saturday. We are closed this Friday and Saturday for the retreat. But come on in, and you know, the red light therapy is amazing. We've been seeing amazing results, not only with fat loss, but with energy healing and wound healing and inflammation healing and just so much more. And of course, beautiful skin tone. I'm super impressed with how much my skin has changed. And even our esthetician Elena said, oh my gosh, your skin is amazing from those treatments. So I did about 20 treatments, and very, very happy. All right, you guys, I want to see you this weekend. Comment, send me a private message, show up. See you soon.